Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand wash at home using simple ingredients that are not only effective, but also kind to your skin. Let's get started. For this easy DIY hand wash, you'll need 1/2 cup of liquid Castile soap, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin for added moisture, 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. I'm using lavender for a soothing scent. Optional, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil for extra skincare benefits. Now, grab a clean bottle or dispenser to store your hand wash. First, pour in 1/2 cup of liquid Castile soap, which is gentle and non-toxic. Then, add 1/4 cup of water to dilute it just a little bit. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. This will help keep your hands soft and prevent dryness. If you've got some vitamin E oil, add a teaspoon for that extra moisturizing boost. Time for some fragrance. I'm using lavender essential oil, but you can pick any scent you love, like tea tree, lemon, or eucalyptus. Add 10 to 15 drops, and this will not only make your hand wash smell amazing, but also bring in natural antibacterial properties. Super easy, right? This homemade hand wash is gentle, moisturizing, and perfect for daily use. Plus, you're making it with ingredients you can feel good about. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural DIY tips. See you next time.